All right, cool. Work ethic weekend review for February 16th through the 21st. Hey, last week we got our shirts in. We decided to go real simple. I love this. I really like this blue. We got blue and black shirts and tank tops. Excited about it. In the physical space, we did not make as much movement as we would have liked last week. We got the flooring done, but we had to go back, or we're having to go back and scab in some pieces. We're taking these thin little strips where the seams meet the walls, and we're um, not super happy with all of the edges, so we are addressing that. It's more annoying than anything. It's not a big deal. It's just annoying to have to take, quarter-inch pieces of rubber and jam it in so that moisture doesn't get below the flooring, because that'd be a big issue. Other than that, paint was done, but we noticed some areas that need touch up, specifically like where the tile in the showers meets the drywall still needs to be touched up. Some paint is chipping in some areas. We have construction crews in and out still doing the finishing touches. Right now, they're putting in the doors, and so as a result, you know, tools bang on the walls or something like that, and we get these little nicks and scratches that still need to be touched up. Um, in the physical space, we got all of our fixtures, our decor, our furniture, all of it's in mostly 90% of it, but we have it sequestered in the back. We haven't really laid any of it out because of the construction crews. We don't want to put things out and then it either gets damaged or the crews need to move in order to access something. And plus, we're still knocking up some dust and a little bit of trash. So we want the space to be kind of like blank slate and clean it and then put stuff in. So that's the goal there. So we did mount two of the four TVs that we were planning on using. Two TVs, the one in the kids' room and the one in the members' lounge community area. Those are mounted, no problems there. Tried to mount the two TVs that we're using for the screens app for push press to display the workouts and everything. And I made the stupid assumption that all the walls had 2x4 studs. And apparently this wall has metal studs, so I need a completely different mounting system. And I'm not the brightest tool in the tool shed or the brightest bulb in the pack. I don't know what that saying is, but um, I realized, after about an hour of trying to figure this out, I'm like, oh, this is not going to work. Um, it was very apparent when the mount fell out of the wall before I put the TV on it. So, hey, it's better than falling out of the wall after I put the TV on it, I guess. Well, there's that. So we're hopefully addressing the TV mounting failure tomorrow, and we're able to get those two TVs up. But that's pretty much it that happened last week. Not too much movement otherwise. We are doing a lot of back end stuff, getting the waivers and the products put into push press into the core system so that virtually we're ready to go. Operationally, we're ready to go. This week, we have final inspections for our certificate of occupancy is tomorrow. So we're excited for that because that means we can legally open our doors. Um, GC has informed me that he's optimistic and he doesn't see any reason why we can't get our C of O tomorrow. So I'm excited about that. Security system gets installed this week. That'll happen in 2 days. And then the equipment, I got to give a major shout out to Rogue because their customer service and their warehouse, their shipping pulled one for us. Um, they almost cut off 48 full hours for our delivery, and that's huge. The shipping company that they use, Echo Shipping, was actually Michelle was really really helpful. So I don't know, she'll never hear this, but thank you, Michelle. I really appreciate you doing the work to get us our order quicker than what was originally intended. So that all hands on deck for when that shows up on Thursday this week. So we will start with the rig, and then everything else will fall into place. And the goal is to have all of this done and cleaned so that when we put the equipment and the furniture and fixtures up, we don't have to re-clean it. So that's the process for this week physically. Now with our marketing efforts, we are at 320 leads, 186 of them coming from the company from Lasso and their paid ads. We are going to send out an email today showing some updated progress on the facility, just to the contacts, just to the leads and the contacts. and we're going to give them some insight as to how we're going to soft open with this VIP week. That second email talking about VIP week and reservations, that's going to go out on Wednesday is what we're shooting for. And then membership information is going to go out on Friday. And all we're not blasting this stuff out to the public. This is literally just going to the people that have subscribed to our contact list and want to be in the know. And I think they'll appreciate that. We want to give them first dibs for being loyal, or what's the word, taking a chance on us. I don't know. We want to make sure that we are honoring the agreement that we said, hey, we're going to give you guys the updates first. So those emails go out this week, and I'm very excited for that because this is where we start to actually build our community. A lot of people don't start thinking, or maybe they do. I've talked to some gym owners that do, but I've also talked to some gym owners that don't. They don't start thinking about building their culture, their community, um, before they open their doors. A lot of gym owners let it happen. A lot of coaches and trainers let the culture in the community happen. They let things occur and then they just deal with them as they occur. But we're doing a really focused job on trying to create something. So I think that starts this week with our messaging and verbiage to the people that have given us their phone number and their email and the permission to contact them. So I'm excited about that. 320 people on the list as of today. It's a good number. It's healthy. We're going to keep building that, and I'll keep you guys updated. So that's all for this week, and hopefully I'll have some more updates for you next week. It'll be about the equipment going in, and we will be in operations. Big step forward. Talk to you then.